I'm Erica Thompson, and I'm taking the AV and Office Equipment and Materials course at Red River College. And for assignment 4 today, I'm going to show you how to maintain and operate an overhead projector. The materials that you'll need for cleaning are a can of compressed air, some white gloves so that you don't leave fingerprints on lenses, glass cleaner, lens cleaner, a lens cleaning cloth, a bowl of water with some mild detergent in it, some dry soft cloths, and a screwdriver and drying towel. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your screwdriver and open up and loosen the screw that's going to allow you to open up the overhead projector. Next, move the clip aside and carefully tilt back. Now you're going to want to carefully loosen the wing nuts holding the Fresnel lens and platform in place. Remove this metal support component, and making sure to keep a firm hold on the platform so it doesn't fall out of place. Remove the Fresnel lens and set aside for cleaning. Now you're going to want to carefully close the device. Pull out the support clips. And also remove the platform for cleaning. Careful, because it is glass and breakable. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean the Fresnel lens. Put on a white glove so that you don't leave fingerprints on it or the platform. Take the can of compressed air and spray both sides of the lens with the air. Next, dampen a cloth with the mild dish detergent and wipe down both sides of the lens. Wipe dry with the soft towel, making sure that you remove all the film from the soap. Now you're going to want to dampen the lens tissue with a glass treatment compound and wipe down the Fresnel on both sides again. Next, you're going to want to clean the platform. Again, the first step is to spray both sides with the compressed air. Next, spray it with a glass cleaner or use the mild detergent. And wipe dry with the soft towel, removing all cleaning film. Next, you're going to clean the inside with compressed air. And you don't need to wipe it down, you're just going to want to blow the dust off of the reflector and the fan. The next step is to clean the head lens. To do that, you're going to dampen a tissue with the lens cleaning fluid. And wipe down the lens on both sides. Next, using a dry part of the tissue, just dry off the lens. Next, you're going to reassemble the machine. The first thing you're going to do is take the platform and place it on the top of the projector. Then take the clips and put them in place. Now, very carefully, while holding onto the platform so that it doesn't fall out, open the projector lid. Take the Fresnel lens, and with the side labeled up facing towards the platform, load it back into place on top of the screws. If the platform slips out of place, it is possible to slide it back into place. Now make sure you put the metal support back on the bottom. Now close the projector and test to make sure that you've installed the lens the correct way. If it's not correct, you'll see a circular image instead of the regular octagonal. And it looks like we did it correctly. So now, you can turn off the projector and using the screwdriver, put the clip back in place. And tighten to close. After tightening the screw and locking the mechanism in place, just take a damp rag and dust down the outside of the projector. and the power cord. Now, projecting the image is very easy to do. All you have to do is turn on the machine, and using the head plate, just move it until it's centered. Then take your transparency and place it on the platform. And using the focus knob on the arm, rotate until the picture is clear.